introducing to you the Isotech Rechargeable Air Purifier Moon Man Mask. Yes, these masks are to die for. Look, guys. It comes with a charger wire. And it comes with 2 extra filters. 2 extra filters is a freebie, guys. I know we all love freebies. It comes with a on-the-go bag, a little carrying bag. This is so nice. Yes, this is so nice. And let's talk about the cover, the package cover. This is so creative. Like, this is so creative. I love this. And the cover, it speaks a lot about the product itself. So look at the mask. The mask is actually a spaceship. That's where the name Moon Man came from. Yes. This is so nice. And the straps are very firm, strong, as you can see. And it has a Velcro, and the Velcro is very strong. Look, I'm pulling it and it's not moving. Huh. Okay. That's the little ventilator right there. That's where the air goes through. And the cover is removable. It has 5 magnets. So it just attached like that. Yes, makes a lot of sense. And then it has this filter that put over it. It's tightly fitted, as you can see. Like, I'm a little bit struggling to take it off. It covers the opening of the turbine that pulls the air into the mask to provide active airflow. So this is where the charger goes, and this is the power button. So 1 click and it starts to spin. Guys, the air is oh my god, this is so cool. Can you imagine a mask like this over your face? Like, it's so cool. Oh my god. Like, my hands feel like it's actually in front of a fan. Does that make any sense? Oh my god. Yes. And it has 2 speeds. So this is the second speed. So as you can see, the second speed is higher, which means it helps to provide extra oxygen, extra airflow. So the higher you go, the more oxygen it provides. Yeah. Okay. That is that. And you see the turbine stops spinning. And it is safe. It is safe. Like, it's not harmful. It won't cut you or anything like that. But I advise that you don't put your finger there, okay? And then it has this silicone around it, which makes this mask even more extremely more comfortable to be on your face. So imagine having this mask on your face for like up to 7 hours, right? Okay. The hair is so cool, I had to go turn it on again to get some cool breeze. Okay, so this is removable, as you can see. It is removable, and it's made from pacifier material for babies. So it's really comfortable, and it's good that this section is removable, because a material like this, you want to sterilize it. You want to make sure you sterilize it, or you could spray your Lysol over it and wipe it down properly. Yes, it feels so nice. Feels very nice. It feels very soft. And this is the perfect material to be sitting on your face for hours and hours. Yes. Okay. So this mask, I recommend. I rate this mask 10 out of 10, and I would say for persons who have asthma, this mask is definitely for you. And why I say that is because if you're wearing a mask like this and it provides oxygen, more oxygen for you, being that your sickness, or I don't want to say sickness, but being that a symptom of your sickness is that you have shortness of breath, and it provides extra oxygen. This is it. This makes sense. Yeah. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it back together so you see. So what you want to do is